Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best full mesh air conditioner cover on the market. If you want to protect your outdoor AC unit from leaves, grass, dust, and all kinds of debris without sacrificing airflow, this is the product you need to know about. This full mesh air conditioner cover from Lisol is designed specifically to defend your AC coils against clogging and corrosion caused by outdoor elements. Made from heavy-duty, PVC-coated polyester mesh, it offers a tough barrier against twigs, leaves, acorns, cottonwood, and grass clippings, all while allowing your unit to breathe. This is critical because many traditional covers block air circulation and can trap moisture, leading to damage and reduced efficiency. Measuring 32 by 32 by 36 inches, this cover provides full coverage for most standard outdoor AC units, fitting snugly from top to bottom. The mesh design fully protects your AC surfaces while still allowing air to flow freely, so your condenser can operate without any hindrance. It even covers the top completely, which is usually where debris collects the most. Using this cover is straightforward. It features an adjustable drawstring at the bottom and a strap with a plastic buckle, which keeps the cover securely in place, even during windy conditions, so you won't have to worry about it flying off or slipping out of position. Installation is quick and easy, saving you time and hassle. One of the standout benefits of this mesh cover is its all-season usability. Whether it's the shedding of leaves in autumn or dust and dirt during other times of the year, this cover shields your unit year-round. Unlike solid covers that can trap moisture and cause rust or mold, the breathable mesh reduces moisture buildup inside your AC, protecting it from corrosion and prolonging its lifespan. The waterproof nature of the material means it resists water penetration, helping to keep your unit dry during rain while still allowing airflow. This combination is key for maintaining your AC in top condition without blocking its vital ventilation. Another great point about this product is that it's built to last. The heavy-duty PVC coating enhances durability and resistance to wear and tear, so it stands up well against harsh weather and the test of time. Its lightweight design also makes it easy to handle, so you can take it on or off as needed without any struggle. If you're considering an air conditioner cover that balances protection with performance, this Lisol full mesh cover ticks all the boxes. It's sturdy, fits well, and keeps your outdoor unit safe from a variety of environmental challenges while maintaining airflow and reducing moisture. It's a smart investment to help extend the life of your AC and keep it running efficiently. That's all for today's review on the best full mesh air conditioner cover. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest product insights. Thanks for watching.